Hello and welcome back. In the last session, we talked about how large language models work. But today we are going to look under the hood. We are going to answer a very big question. How does an AI actually read your text? As you know, computers don't understand words like humans. They only understand numbers, so before an AI can process our prompt, it has to break the text into small pieces. This process called token, and this small piece is called tokens. Let's go to this image. This image shows how tokenization works in three basic steps. As you can see in the first step, the user types a simple message like normal sentences. And in the second step, a tokenizer takes the sentence and breaks down into smaller pieces called tokens. And finally, in the third step, every single token changed into a specific number ID because AI models can only understand numbers, not text. Okay, enough theory. Let me show you how this looks in real world. I am opening official OpenAI tokenizer website. These tools show us exactly how models like, as you can see, GPT-5 or GPT-4 breaks down our text. Okay, let's write a simple sentence. For example, I will type building AI agents is amazing, and look at the colors. You can see that the text is divided into different blocks. Most small words are one color. That means they are one token. And let's go to our Notes app, and here we have a big question. Why do we count tokens? Let's increase the fonts. Okay. When we build AI agents, we need to count tokens because API services like OpenAI or, for example, Anthropic charge us money based on tokens. More tokens mean more money, and also models have a context window, which is a limit on how many tokens they can remember at once. Okay, let's go and write some code. In here in the VS Code, I just created a empty project called tokenization, and I want to create a very simple tokenizer app with Python. To do that, first of all, we should create an virtual environment. So to create that, just open the terminal and write this command for python 3 -m venv and okay, and after that type the source /venv /bin activate to activate this virtual environment. And okay, I created a virtual environment because I really don't want to install the packages I need globally, and I want to install them into this project. Okay, let's install the TikToken package with this command, and pip install TikToken, and let's copy the code from here. Let's first create a main.py and paste the code here. And this Python code, let's close the terminal. This Python code shows how to use TikToken library to tokenize our text. First it select a specific model. We have here a GPT-4o. And to get the right tool for splitting text, we choose the GPT-4o. And the next, it takes sample sentences and change it into a list of numbers, which are the token IDs. And finally, the code prints each tokens with its special number, and then turn those number back into the original text to show the full process. Okay, let's run the code. Python 3 main py. Oh, okay, let's save that file and yes, again run this. And as you can see here, we have the model GPT-4, and we have the also original text, and this is the token IDs, all of token IDs here. And this is our for loop to show which token ID belongs to which token. For example, this token ID belongs to this token. And finally, this is our first text that we have that converted from these token IDs. Okay, so let's review what we learned today. Number one, computers read numbers, not words. Number two, tokenization breaks text into small pieces, like exactly like Lego blocks. And number three, as developers, we must manage tokens to control our cost and keep our AI agents smart. In our next session, we will take these tokens and turn them into something called embedding. Leave a comment below if you have any question about tokens, and I will answer them. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.